This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
You just hit some of the points that I would like to know some. So in your resume, I have been actually reading some of the points you have been supporting. You are actually part of the support team, and you have a rotation-based supporting as well. I think you do sometime the monthly, sometime like the weekly. So of course we get the different type of issues, the ticket from the production, during the support window. So how do you handle the bug request? Like if some developer opens a ticket saying I need a DB and no more information required given, how do you handle this situation?
So what I usually do is, if it's not a high priority issue, we basically ask questions on the ticket. Okay, so if a developer just creates a ticket that, okay, I need a DB, and just like that, I will basically check if it's a high priority issue or not. Okay, so from the request we can actually see or understand that, okay, if it's a high priority issue, and we can see the timeline that he wants the DB. So I just create some comments on the Jira tickets with the basic needs that, okay, I need this and this information from you to like start creating it. So I just leave a comment on the ticket, and then whenever they replies, I will actually book some of my time to do the deployment. Otherwise, it will be just like that. And if it's an urgent request, what I usually do, just ping them up on the Slack and do a quick huddle and say, hey, you have missed these kind of things. I cannot create the specific DB or whatever the resource you asked as the request. I cannot do that because I don't have enough data. So can you please specify these things on your ticket so that I can give this to somebody else if I don't have the bandwidth to do that, or I will look at this later, and I'm not sure if it will be available later. So you can just update the ticket with this information, and I will be creating this for you.
Okay, well, thank you.